What are you gonna do today, Dharma?
We're gonna paint.
Okay. Go ahead. What's that?
Orange.
An orange? What's the shape?
A circle.
Wow. What are you gonna tell your subscribers?
Thank you for watching my video.
Wow. You're so artistic. What do you want to be when you grow up?
And chef, a superhero, a
What else?
like double kids,
Wow. Okay.
like a shopper.
You love shopping?
Yeah.
What do you love to shop?
For clothes.
What kind of clothes?
Minnie Mouse clothes.
Wow. Can you draw some Minnie Mouse clothes over there?
Okay.
Can you paint any?
Pink.
Hi, Sissy. Hi, Sissy. Are you gonna paint too?
See?
What's the color?
Pink. No.
Be nice.
No.
Sissy wants to join. Look at your Sissy. She knows how to climb the chair.
I made a Minnie Mouse clothes.
Oh.
You can buy this paintbrush.
Is that the one?
Yeah.
It's like a rectangle.
I need some orange.
Oh, your Sissy's trying to paint too. Nice, Siri. That's so nice. Are you gonna wear that, sweetheart?
Yeah, subscribers.
What will you say to your subscribers?
Peekaboo.
I see you.
I see you. Some more.
How old are you?
4.
What about your Sissy?
She's 1.
When is her birthday?
October.
No, that's yours. What about Sissy?
She... Judy.
What is Daddy doing in the morning?
He's coffee.
Oh, he drinks coffee. Okay. Why is he sneezing right now?
That's why he's sneezing.
Why? Why is he sneezing? You got some allergies?
He got some allergies.
From where?
The tummies.
Oh, the Tumby's tree.
That's why Ernie was talking to Daddy.
What about it?
It was a yes.
Oh, that's so cool, girls. You're making some painting. What else can you make? A painting of what?
A flower.
What's your favorite color?
Black.
What else?
Orange.
What else?
Pink.
Nice color. What's the best color for you?
Orange.
Okay.
Hey!
You share.
I should.
You know you have to share because you're sisters, right?
You're right.
Do you love your sissy? Tell her.
I love you.
Siri, what are you doing? You're making a mess. Oh, that's okay. You're still a baby. You can do whatever.
Lala. Oh my God!
Say hi, Siri.
Hi, Siri.
Smile to the camera.
Ah.
What? Don't eat the table. Say hi, subscribers.